Hello, first class children. Today we are going to learn English. So you take your English book. And now we are going to learn the first lesson. That is Rita's Garden. Rita's Garden. Garden means Vaicha. Therefore, pode, flower, tree, butterflies, everything there in the garden. Yeah, the garden is looking very green. Here so many flowers are there and butterfly and swing. Rita and her friends are there and playing. So now we are going to see the first lesson. Rita's Garden. Rita's Garden. This is Rita's Garden. It is the month of March. It is springtime. The flowers are in bloom. They are of many colors. Butterflies fly from flower to flower. There are swings in the garden. Rita and her friends love to play in the garden. Yeah, repeat after me. This is Rita's garden. It is the month of March. It is springtime. The flowers are in bloom. They are of many colors. Butterflies fly from flower to flower. There are swings in the garden. Rita and her friends love to play in the garden. Okay, this is Rita's garden. It is the month of March. Which month is this? Yeah, in this poem, they written this is the March month. Okay. It's a which time? It's a springtime, means flowers are blooming time. The flowers are in bloom. Okay. Flowers are many colors, means red, yellow, orange, purple, pink. So many color flowers are there. Butterfly also there. See, this is butterfly. This is butterfly. Here you see the swing is here. One girl is playing in the swing. Jula. Swing means jula. Okay. Rita and her friends. These are Rita's friends. Rita's friends love to play. Play means scale. Play in the garden. Okay. Once more see flowers. What's the spelling of flowers? F-L-O-W-E-R-S. Flowers. What's the spelling of March? M-A-R-C-H. What is the spelling of Rita? R-I-T-A. Rita. Garden. G-A-R-D-E-N. What is the spelling of this? T-H-I-S. T-H-I-S. This is. What's the spelling of is? I-S. Is. I-T. It. I-T. It. T-H-E-Y. They. T-H-E-Y. What is the spelling of colors? C-O-L-O-U-R-S. Colors. 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 Butterflies. B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-I-E-S. Butterflies. Swings. S-W-I-N-G-S. Swings. Friends. Friends, friends. Now turn the next page. See here some fill in the blanks. Now you take your pencil and fill the part B. Exercise B. See. Fill in the blanks, choosing the right words from the brackets. Number 1. It is the month of dash. March or July. March or July. Say which month is there? It is the in Rita's garden, that lesson we see which month? March. Okay, so you write this March in the blank. M A R C H, March. Next, number 2. Dash fly from flower to flower. Birds, butterflies. Birds, butterflies. What's the correct? Which one is the correct answer? Say birds, butterflies. Yes, correct. Butterflies. Butterflies are fly from flower to flower. So in the second Phillips you write butterflies. BUTTERFLIES, butterflies. Butterflies. BUTTERFLIES, butterflies. Number 3. The flowers are of many dash colors, shapes. What's the correct answer? Which one is the correct? Colors, shapes. Yes, colors. So you write the answer COLOURS, colors. COLOURS, colors. Rita and her dash play in the garden. Number 4. Rita and her dash play in the garden. Sister, friends. Sister मतलब बहन है, और friends, sister, बहन or friends. Which one is the answer? Friends. FRIENDS, friends. Yes, you write the correct answer. Next, vocabulary. The names of the following things end in N, as in van. Write the word from the box. See, in the box some words are there. LION, lion. PAN, pan. FAN, fan. BALLOON, balloon. Lion, pan, fan, balloon. See, some pictures are there. See the picture and write the correct answer. So what is this? This is a pan. This is a pan. PAN, pan. This is the pan. First one, pan. What is this? This is a fan. FAN, fan. FAN, fan. And see here, what is this? This is a balloon. BALLOON, balloon. BALLOON, balloon. Balloon. So balloon is the third one. Fourth one, lion. So see, okay, this is a lion. LION, lion. Yes, you write these answers. Now you see B part. Look at the pictures and tick the correct word. So here they given one picture and they given 3 options. So we put tick in the correct answer, that box. Okay, so what is this? This is a flower. Flower. What's the spelling of flower? Flower, flover, flawer. Which one is the correct answer? Flower. The first one. flower. This one is the correct answer. Flower. Next, what's the picture? This is a clock. Clock. What's the correct answer? Clock. This is here written clack, clock, clock. So this one is the correct answer. So you tick here clock. C-L-O-C-K. C-L-O-C-K. Clock. So next, what is this? This is a butterfly. Butterfly. Here they written butterfly. Butterfly, flea, butterfly. What is the correct answer? Which one? Butterfly. This one is the correct one. B-U-T-T-E-R. Butterfly. F-L-Y. So you tick here. So what is this? You loved white and cake. All the children are loving cake. Cake. Here you written Coke, Coca, cake. What's the correct answer? Which one? Cake. Third one. Cake. So kids, you do this all work in your book. Thank you.